I'm Hannah from rijo42 and today I'm going to show you how to make a cortado using our new coffee machine, the R1. Okay, so first of all you're going to grind your coffee. Okay, so once you've done that you want to tap it on the side of your hand. Then get your tamper, twist and wipe. Okay, so after you've done that, you want to lock it onto your machine. Make sure it's nicely put on. Grab your espresso cup and press the double shot. Okay, so once the espresso is extracting, you can pull it down and then you can get onto your milk. Okay, so the milk is already in the jug. So I'm going to use the auto steamer now to froth up the milk. So we're going to use the latte button, so press that. Okay, so once that's done, it will stop automatically. You then want to carefully pull the jug away and give the steam wand a quick wipe and click the button to purge. Okay, I'm now going to transfer the milk into a smaller jug just to make it a bit easier to pour. Okay, you then want to swirl your espresso around in the cup and then carefully pour. And there you have a cortado.